Hello everyone, and welcome back for one more video. And due to today's report, I working on this lovely thing from Takom. it's a Type 69. It's one made by the Chinese, and they are using on the Iraq forces. So I made today already the filters on the tank, and I use this one right here. Okay, the ochre for light sand, so it's very brown and make all things more warm. I will use later this one too, the brown for desert yellow and the gray for yellow sand. And I'm going to play too with these new shaders from Ammo and to make some shades on these. But before, I'm going to put here just the two decals for these, and then I will start making lots of weathering on this. And of course this one is going to be on a diorama. It's going to be a surprise. On this chipping I made, it's very different. Why? Because I don't want to make this chipping on the yellow, right? So I pull the brown and the green, and it makes like this kind of chipping on the yellow, because I pull out the all these paints. I use the heavy chipping for this technique. Okay, so I don't put any chipping on the yellow sand, so just on the green and on the brown. So you can see how it's going so far. Okay, I'm going to make a chieftain. It was on Desert Storm 2, and I got right there the Abrams Dame 1. This is from Rhinefield, and this is going to be for all this team I am doing, and you can see the difference of the size of them. It's a big one. So guys, if you have any questions, okay, you just ask, and I will release the video all of this work. I got a very struggle using the masking putty for the first time, but I think it was my fault, because I used the satin varnish and I don't let them dry nice, so it was a struggle to remove just on the yellow sand color. Okay, because you have the satin varnish to protect the color, but it's like I always say, we are always learning, and you must make some experience for this to work really nice. So, but expect for the video, I will put when it's all completed, and you can see. So today, in the morning I start with the filters, and on the afternoon I will start using some of the shaders, and of course then I will start putting some rust, some dust all over these, painting the machine gun, painting the tracks. The tracks are not painted. Okay, so at this moment they are ugly. I still missing painting the wheels, the the black tires, so it's going to be a real struggle on this, but I will record everything, and when I have the video done I will release on YouTube. Okay, so guys, I hope you like it. Leave comments, guys, comments, no problem. And I hope everyone it's okay, because of this time it's really hard to live with this virus we have all over, spread all over the world. Okay, so bye guys, and let's see you in the next video.